Good morning, students. Welcome to your new lesson of playing with sounds. So today we are going to learn a new sound. Can you tell me what sound is this? Yes, it's puff. Make a standing line, go up, make a curve, make a tummy in the front. This is how we write the letter puff. Now let's see some of the friends of the sound. B, ball, and something which hits the ball. B, bat. P is for balloons. And where do we use the balloons? Yes, on a birthday party. A purple vegetable that's very healthy. It's brinjal. Something in which you fill the water. It's a bottle. A yellow fruit which you peel. Banana. And something which you read. Book. A wild animal which likes to eat honey. Who is it? Yes, bear. An insect which likes buzzing on the flowers in the garden. Bees. Bees. And another one which is very colorful. Butterflies. I'm sure you like watching cartoons. So can you name a cartoon character which is the friend of sound? Yes, it's Ben 10. And another one, and it's a doll. Barbie. An outdoor fire lighting on the woods. What is it? Yes, bonfire. Bonfire. Time for your quiz. Can you tell me which one of them is a friend of letter B? Apple, bottle, or snake? Something which likes to fly up in the sky. And it is a friend of sound. What is it? Is it an aeroplane, a rocket, or a bird? Can you help me find the sound here? Is it in box number 1, 2, or 3? I hope you must have enjoyed your lesson. Bye-bye, students. See you again.